Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, today we will start our lecture number third of reaction of aldehydes and ketones. We are discussing our chapter, that is chapter number 13. And in today lecture, you will study different type of reactions of aldehydes and ketone, which are given in different acidic media in different conditions. So first of all, we will study our first reaction of aldehyde and ketone, that is the haloform reaction. In haloform reaction, only acetaldehyde and methyl ketone react with halogen in the presence of sodium hydroxide to give haloform and sodium salt of the acid. It means in haloform reaction there are two main components, that is acetaldehyde as well as the methyl ketone, and both of them are react in the presence of different type of acidic media, in the presence of basic media, that is the sodium hydroxide. It means in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the acetaldehyde and methyl ketone both will react, and as a result of their reaction they will produce the haloform as well as sodium salt of the acid. So first we will see the reaction of haloform. In the first reaction of haloform, this compound represent the any-ketonic compound because this carbonyl group is sandwiched between one alkyl group and other methyl group. So we can say that this compound अच्छा स्टूडेंट, एक बात और हम इस रिएक्शन में इनमें ध्यान रखेंगे कि जो इसका फर्स्ट वन रिएक्शन होगा वो जनरल रिएक्शन होगा, एंड द अदर टू रिएक्शन आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस जनरल रिएक्शन. इट मीन ये जो है वो हमारे पास सिंपलेस्ट रिएक्शन है, जिसमें आर जो है वो कोई भी अल्काइल ग्रुप हो सकता है, एराइल ग्रुप हो सकता है, या फिर कोई भी हाइड्रोजन का एटम हो सकता है. तो इट मीन इसमें क्या होगा कि कोई भी कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड का रिएक्शन हम हैलोजन और इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेसिक मीडिया दैट इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, इनकी प्रेजेंस में हम ये रिएक्शन करवाएंगे, एंड अवर रिजल्टिंग प्रोडक्ट इज आइडोफॉर्म या हेलोफॉर्म, because in this case CHX3 and X will represent the general halo group, so the product is formed in general product is CHX3, and the name of this reaction is known as the haloform, as well as the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. साथ जो है वो सोडियम हेलाइड फॉर्म होगा एज वेल एज वाटर. इट मीन ये एक आपके पास आपने तमाम रिएक्शन जो भी आप एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन के पढ़ेंगे उसके फर्स्ट वन रिएक्शन में पहले आप आर डाल के रिएक्शन जनरल लिखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद आप एक दफा आर को रिप्लेस करेंगे स्टूडेंट मिथाइल से, और वो कंपाउंड बन जाएगा योर एल्डिहाइडिक कंपाउंड दैट इज एसिटाल्डिहाइड. And if this R group is replaced by another methyl group, then the carbonyl group is sandwiched between two methyl group, and the compound name is known as the acetone. It means acetaldehyde will react with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, and the resulting product is known as the iodoform, and the formula of iodoform is CHI3. तो स्टूडेंट हमें यहाँ से पता चला कि जो हमारे पास आइडोफॉर्म होता है, आइडोफॉर्म का जो कलर होता है दैट इज इनसॉल्युबल येलो प्रेसिपिटेट. in today topic I will show you the yellow precipitate of iodoform. As well as the formation of sodium formate will take place. साथ जो है वो सोडियम आयोडाइड एंड वाटर बनेगा. इट मीन यही एक मेन रिएक्शन है जिसके अंदर आपने अमेंडमेंट्स की. इट मीन in the first type of reaction this R group is replaced by methyl group, and in other example this R group is replaced by another methyl group, and the compound is known as acetone. The final product will be same, that is in both cases the iodoform form as well as sodium formate, sodium iodide as well as water. So student, you will have to learn this reaction, and you should practice these reaction by writing it at least 2 to 3 times. तो अभी हमने क्या देखा कि ये जो टर्म है दैट इज हेलो फॉर्म, इसको हम यूज करते हैं रिएक्शन में, यानी रिएक्शन को हम हेलो फॉर्म क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि अगर आप इसमें मोस्टली आयोडीन इस्तेमाल अगर करते हैं तो आयोडो फॉर्म बनती है, अगर आप ब्रोमीन इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो ब्रोमो फॉर्म फॉर्म होगी, और अगर आप क्लोरीन को फॉर्म करेंगे तो फिर यहाँ पे क्लोरोफॉर्म की प्रोडक्शन होगी. लाइक इन दिस एग्जांपल वी हैव रिप्लेस्ड अवर हेलोजन एटम विद ओनली आयोडीन ग्रुप, so our resulting product is iodoform. But if this iodine is replaced with bromine or chlorine, then our resulting product is known as the bromoform and chloroform respectively. Now we will see the application or the different type of limitation of haloform reaction in case of secondary alcohol containing the hydroxyl group on the second carbon atom also undergo this reaction. So we can say that if we want to distinguish between primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, uh, the secondary alcohol have the capacity to give this reaction, but in primary alcohol only it is the ethanol which give this reaction. So we can say that only the ethanol is the only primary alcohol that give this reaction. From a synthetic point of view, the haloform reaction afford a convenient method for converting a methyl ketone to a carboxylic acid containing one carbon atom less than the parent compound. It means we can say that in case of starting reactant, if you start this reactant, for example, I can say that this ethanol has two carbon, that is CH3 and CH2, but in case of iodoform one carbon is present. So we can say that if we want to convert any ketonic or any carbonyl group to a carboxylic acid, आइडोफॉर्म में एक कार्बन एटम चली जाती है एंड सेकंड कार्बन एटम कहाँ जाएगी, सोडियम साल्ट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में. सो अगर आप कोई सिंथेसिस कर रहे हैं, इट मीन और सिंथेसिस आपने स्टार्ट की है किसी भी अल्कोहल से, किसी भी कीटोनिक कंपाउंड से या किसी भी मिथाइल कीटोनिक कंपाउंड से. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ आप देखें ये एक हमारे पास मिथाइल कीटोन है, दैट इज योर एसीटोन, and in case of acetone there are 1 2 and 3 carbon atom are present in the start of this reaction, but in the product side of the carboxylic acid के अंदर only 2 carbon atom are present. So from this reaction we can conclude that from a synthetic point of view, the haloform reaction afford are converting a methyl ketone to the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which contain one carbon atom is less from the starting at the parent compound. So in this paragraph there are three main points. It means the secondary alcohol will give this iodoform reaction, as well as in primary alcohol only it is the ethanol which gives this reaction. And the third point is that from a synthetic point of view, that if we wanna convert any methyl ketone into the salt of carboxylic acid, then in case of carboxylic acid one carbon atom is less than the parent compound. Hopefully all these points are clear to all of you students. Now we will see the after halo formation we can see the IDO form test, and the halo form reaction, in case of halo form reaction you have seen just right now that this reaction will take place in the presence of iodine and the aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, and the resulting production of the IDO form, that is CHI3, and this CHI3 is known as the IDO form, and it is a water insoluble yellow product. For your easier that you have seen this yellow precipitate of iodoform which represent the iodoform. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट ये आपके सामने एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में एक रिएक्शन किया गया जिसके अंदर हमने कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड और साथ आयोडीन और सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को ऐड किया. तो ये टेस्ट जो है स्टूडेंट वो हम बेसिकली यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर डिस्टिंग्विशिंग बिटवीन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स and from any simplest alcohol like methyl alcohol. In your previous chapter you have studied that from methanol and ethanol, this ethanol only give this reaction while methanol don't give this reaction. As a result we can distinguish them between these two compound by iodoform test, because ethanol will form this yellow precipitate of iodoform. So we can say that iodoform test is used for distinguishing between methyl ketones and other ketones. It means all ketones only it is the acetone which gives this reaction, And the second point is that it is also used to distinguish ethanol from methanol, as I have discussed it earlier to you, and other primary alcohol, that it is the only ethanol which gives this reaction. And the third point is that it can also be used to distinguish acetaldehyde from other aldehyde. It means acetone, acetaldehyde, and ethanol will give this reaction. And it is the total summary of iodoform test. That iodoform test is used for distinguishing between the methyl ketone from other ketone. And the second point is that it can also be used to distinguish ethanol, and the ethanol is the only primary alcohol which gives this reaction, while other remaining primary alcohol don't give the iodoform test. In our third one condition, that this test can also be used to distinguish acetaldehyde from other aldehyde, because the size of other carbon portion is increases, so we can distinguish between acetaldehyde from other aldehyde. Now, student, we will see the acid catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction. In our previous lecture, I have told you about the difference between acid catalyzed and base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound. In case of, as you have seen earlier, that in case of basic condition, the nucleophilic character of the incoming nucleophile has been increases, while in case of acidic media, the electrophilic character of carbonyl compound has been increased. So I have didn't write the general mechanism of acid catalyzed reaction, because I have told you in previous topic. So we can see that both formaldehyde and acetaldehyde polymerize in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid to give two types of main product. One of the product is known as the meta-formaldehyde. It means meta-formaldehyde will represent the class of polymer which is formed by the polymerization of formaldehyde in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid, and by the polymerization of formaldehyde it will produce meta-formaldehyde. While in case of acetaldehyde, this compound represents the acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde will also polymerize in the presence of sulfuric acid, and the three molecule of acetaldehyde will polymerize with each other. As a result, they will form the paraldehyde. So you will have to memorize these structures, so you can distinguish between these two types of polymer, that is meta-formaldehyde and paraldehyde, which is the important short question from exam point of view. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, अब हम देखेंगे रिएक्शंस ऑफ अमोनिया डेरिवेटिव को. अमोनिया डेरिवेटिव की अगर आप बात करें तो हम ये कहते हैं कि अमोनिया डेरिवेटिव में एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन्स जो होते हैं वो रिएक्ट करते हैं अमोनिया के डेरिवेटिव के साथ. ये एक कुछ एक जनरल रिएक्शन है जिसमें अमोनिया का डेरिवेटिव, अमोनिया का फार्मूला क्या होता है, दैट इज NH3. इट मीन अगर आपके पास कोई भी NH3 है तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इन केस ऑफ देखें स्टूडेंट, अगर हम इसका फार्मूला लिखें अमोनिया का, इट मीन अमोनिया के फार्मूला में एक नाइट्रोजन के साथ जो है वो तीन हाइड्रोजन होती हैं. बट इफ वन ऑफ इट्स हाइड्रोजन एटम इज रिप्लेस्ड विद एन अदर एटम, दैट इज दी, मैं आपको ये लिख के दिखाती हूँ कि हम कैसे इसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. अगर आप इसकी एक हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिप्लेस करें, दैट इज विद एन अदर ग्रुप के साथ, अगर हम किसी और रिएक्शन के साथ इसको रिप्लेस करें